this thing is crazy. What's up, YouTube? Out here test out this exhaust. This thing sounds insane. Oh man. Definitely don't need a full exhaust for this thing. This thing is super low in person. Hopefully you guys can hear anything. This wind's blowing very hard. Little D-cell pops. Oh man. It's making me want to ride it like a big bike, like a sports bike. It is super light too. Man, it's a great pickup. It sounds crazy like that. There's no baffles in it, and this is just a slip-on. I can imagine the full exhaust. Probably sounds insane. Why am I driving this thing like this? It's not supposed to be written like this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, man. I don't know what it is about exhaust. It just makes bikes so much more fun. It's 91 degrees out here, yeah, so I need to cut this off for a minute, let it cool down. Let's talk about this exhaust. Oh man, it's starting to blue up already. That looks sick. Oh yeah, so that's titanium. The whole thing's supposed to be titanium. This is powder coated black, and this is embossed, and this is like laser etched, and this is embossed also. So let's talk about the good. The good, it sounds great. Definitely I see some increased horsepower. I don't have a dyno, so I don't know exactly what amount, but I definitely feel it. This thing feels like a sports bike, like the 700. It feels like a leader bike actually, with the power. It may just because of the exhaust makes me want to ride it faster. I don't know, but yeah. So it sounds good. Oh, and this the stock. I'll put it on the screen about how much the stock cans weighed, about 16.6 pounds, so basically 17 pounds. And this, I'll weigh this. It came to about 6 pounds, but it might be on or off a little bit. So basically, your savings of 10 pounds, a little over 10 pounds with it. So I'm happy about that. And you got some weight savings. It sounds good. I mean, it's a bit pricey for what you get, but I mean, look at the quality of it. So it's kind of like, how much did this thing cost? Well, let's look at the website. So if you guys can see it or not, hopefully you guys can see it with the light. But here it is right here. So it's basically 800 pounds. So when you buy it directly from the website, you have to pay in pounds. So I pay with a credit card that doesn't charge any foreign transaction fees, since I'm based out of the US. And Austin Racing is based out of the UK. They're manufactured in the UK. So this is basically the only options you have, is the same options that I got right here. But you could get a titanium, full titanium exhaust here. Let me see if I can find it on here. Maybe they don't got it anymore. Right here. If you guys can see the picture, that's what you can get there. And that's what it is right there. So, but I chose with the black because I think it looks better. So basically after 10 taxes and the what was it? Not foreign transaction fees, but the exchange rate. This 800 pound turned into about 900. Oh, with taxes, it was 938 pounds, and so that translated to basically a little bit under $1,100 US dollars for me. That's how much I paid for this. The wait time, the 1 to 6 lead wait time, that's probably the only downside. I mean, the price, I mean, could be very expensive for some people. It's just a slip-on, it's not a full exhaust, but I mean, it's up there with the rest of the name brands that do exhaust as far as slip-ons go. Because I paid for my Aero slip-on for my Street Fighter. I paid like $1,900 US. So, I mean, there was more to it. There's more piping to the Aero exhaust when you go to the Street Fighter. So I'm gonna rev it up for you guys. Make sure I'm in neutral. Yep. So that's at idle, warm start obviously because it's very hot out here. It's 91 degrees. And we're in sport mode too, by the way. I guess you can see that right there. Yeah, so man, so that sounds good. Anything else? You know, just the normal, the front slab protection from Evotech. We got the radiator guard, spools, and rear axle guard. I can't find any frame sliders for this yet, so I guess there's no company that make them because there's probably nowhere to put it at. I've been ordered the belly pan for this. It still ain't come yet. I don't know what. I guess it's back ordered or something like that. But yeah. And I gotta change these mirrors out. I already have a solution for the mirrors. I'm just waiting for other stuff to come in so I can do it all at one time, so I don't have to make separate things. Only one thing is this sticks out. Stuff like this, you know, remember before it would have heat shields. The heat shield stick up, and this would be stuck up here. It'll be up here more, so that wire back here would be. So I gotta fix that. So there's no more heat shield. So do I feel more heat? I actually feel more heat by my feet more, which is kind of weird. I don't know, it's because of the temperature, but I feel like I feel more heat down here by the engine, of course. More so than my rear, because I kind of sit more right here. This is kind of more hot to the touch though, because the shield right here, these are obviously hotter. So that's the only another downside is that, you know, you don't have any heat shield anymore. Because I don't think there's a way to put those on. No, there's no way to put that on there. So no heat shield, price, and the wait time. I mean, it tells you on the website 1 to 6 weeks, but mine was more like on the lines of 10 to 12 weeks, I believe. But hey, it came and it delivered definitely. So that's all I got for you guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you all on the next one. Peace.